Well, hey folks, how's it? Oh, ain't she a beauty? I tell you what, the Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series. This thing is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I've done some mods, folks. I'm gonna do some burgers tonight, but we're gonna do reverse sear burgers. And you're saying, come on, reverse sear burgers? You gotta see these burgers, and then you'll understand. Go take a look at the burgers. I'll get this thing fired up. Oh man, like I said, indirect. That's why. Look at these. 3/4, almost over an inch thick. They're easily 3/4 pound a piece, folks. And I've incorporated, you say, what's that? You incorporate cheese? I like to put my cheese inside the burger. Gives the taste of the cheese in the burger. Helps keep things nice and moist. Does a great job, folks. And I tell you what, let's get them on 225. By the time we get back out there, she'll be at 225. And we'll cook them till they're about medium rare. And then maybe even slightly, maybe just about 110. And then we're gonna fire that thing up, take it up to 700 and give these a quick sear. All right, folks, that was like 5 minutes and got to 225. Now, in all fairness, it's a nice day here today. It's about 75. So the outside temperature made it a little bit easier to get there. It dials itself in really quick. And you even see my temp gauge that I installed here is around 235. What I found is that that'll settle down. Let's take a look. You can see I got the temp probe in there. Take a look at our burgers. We got them on the top shelf. And like I said, we're going to probably take it up to 100, maybe 110, and then pull them and then crank this thing up to 700 degrees and give them a quick sear. I'll tell you what, these are going to be some awesome burgers. All right, folks, there's our internal temp of the burger, 95. Like I said, we're going to take it up to 100, 105, and then we're going to pull it off. Turn it, and I want to see how fast it takes to, how long it takes to get up to 700 degrees. Finally figuring out this controller. You don't even have to press the buttons on the side. All you gotta do is turn the dial and it just goes through the whole menu. So there's my internal, there's the timer if I was using it, and then there's our temp, 226. Pretty awesome. All right, folks, we're gonna pull a burger out. We're about 105. Give you a quick look, see. Oh man, looking pretty good. I'm gonna fire this thing up and let you know how long it takes to get to 700 degrees. All right, it's pretty amazing here. Less than 2 minutes already over 500 degrees. The lid temp probe is having a hard time keeping up. You can actually see it moving. That's pretty impressive. All right, there's 600 and climbing quick. That is, I tell you what, that is, I don't know what to say. That's pretty impressive. All right, folks, conservatively, that was 3.5 minutes to get 700. You know, my temp probe goes up to 550. On the dial there, and then she's maxed out. We're gonna get these burgers on. All right, so I'm gonna very carefully open this up because I don't know what's going on in there, and obviously if there is going to be a grease fire, I want to be very, very careful. So all right, a lot of smoke but no fire. That's good. Well, if you know me, you know I like to keep things clean. Got a little fire in the back there though. I don't know if that's just coming from the charcoal or not, but let's get these on. All right, I'll give you a look-see when I give them a flip. All right, let's give them a flip. Oh, man. Looking mighty nice. All right, it just blows my mind how fast this thing cooks. We're about ready to pull them off, and then we're just going to toast our buns up real quick. Stay tuned for that. Look at that. That's nice. Two awesome looking burgers. Our buns in there. About ready to shut her down here. Just a couple more seconds for the buns. I tell you what, you don't need to see that. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. All right, folks, I'll tell you what. Oh, does that look good? Does it smell good? It's a little bit of pickles and some ketchup. That's what I like on my burgers. You put whatever you want on your burgers. Let's go right through the center here. Remember, we took this up at about 110 internal, And then we did a really quick sear. That thing was up to 700 degrees in like 3 minutes. Look at that. That is perfect. I tell you what, that is that's medium rare all day long. Nice and juicy. Awesome burger. I'm going to eat, folks. I'm starving. Tom Horseman at YouTube, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, appreciate you watching.